Yusha from Canada.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Sheikh, this is a question my father wanted me to ask you. He asks, when a person is being tortured and tormented in his grave, is it the soul that gets the suffering or the body?
This is an issue of the unseen. However, the Ahlus Sunnati wal Jama'ah say, in this life, the body gets the enjoyment and the torment mostly, and the soul gets partially. In the Barzakh, which is in the grave, the soul gets the enjoyment and the punishment mostly, and there is partial part of it on the body because it's decomposed, it's becoming not there anymore, but there is some part of that. On the Day of Judgment, whether in heaven or hell, the enjoyment is fully on both body and soul, and the torment and the punishment is fully on the body and soul. And I hope this answers your question. Arubi from Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum, Shaykh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Shaykh, you said previously that we should not count the in-between purity days of istihada as menses. If we do like this, then how will we count the 15 days period and 15 days pure, and how will we find out the next month's period and count it? Because we have menses during the whole month on and off.
The one that you count is your flow of blood. If you have 7 days flow of blood, then another 7 days purity, then you have another 9 days of flow of blood. 9 plus 7 is 16. This is a day or more over the normal period of menses during a month. You don't count the days of purity, you count how much you got of the period within a month, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. Amatullah from Turkey.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah.
My question is, if a woman is traveling alone and I give her some items or money to deliver to some individuals in that country that she's traveling to, am I sinful for that?
I don't understand your question. Do you give her money to transfer it to someone else?
Yes.
No problem.
But the woman is traveling alone without mahram.
No. This is irrelevant. Her traveling without a mahram is a sin upon her. Whether you give her the money or you don't, she's still going to do that sin. It's like saying to me, I know someone who shaves his beard. So when he's going to the supermarket, if I tell him to buy me some groceries, would I be sinful? These are two separate things. The sin of shaving is on him. I'm not the one buying him the razors. I'm not the one buying him the aftershave cologne. So I'm not helping or assisting on that particular sin. And I hope this answers you.